This is a lithium ferrophosphate battery. This voltage is 3.2 6000 mAh battery. This is solar grade battery. This is containing 4S 10 ampere 12 volt BMS. This is a plus connections. This is minus connection. This is output of the plus or minus. This is terminal. This is a connection terminal BMS. And this is plus terminal. This is minus terminal. This is B1, B2, B3 terminals. How to connect this one? This one is plus connected to the battery. Plus connection, minus connection to the battery. Battery plus connection to the battery. This is a B1 connection to the B1 connect to the this side. This is a minus, this is a plus, this is a this side connection to the B1, opposite direction to the minus, opposite direction connection to the B1 connection. This is a B2 connection to the, this is B2 connection, this is a B2, this is B2 connect to the, this is B2 connection. So B3 connection contain, this is this side B3 connection. Total output is this side. This is total output. This is a plus, this is a minus. This is P1 or P2 power. This is P1, P1 and P minus power. P plus plus P minus minus. This is complete construction of the 12 volt battery.